What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am gonna be showing you how to download TikTok app on your Windows 11. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, open Microsoft Store. Once you do that, search TikTok and then open the app and click get. So we're gonna wait a few seconds, and as you guys can see, it's getting files ready and it's installing right now. Now click open, and as you guys can see, you can pin to taskbar and have it on your Windows 11 taskbar and use it without any issues. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe on our official YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.